Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a solution that many of us have been seeking: the best belly fat burner for women. Say goodbye to stubborn stomach fat, bloating, and hormonal weight gain. Let's jump right into it. Introducing the Belly Fat Burner for Women by UNALTERED. This revolutionary supplement is designed to target stubborn belly fat and support your weight loss journey. With an 80% industry-leading dose of natural CLA extract, conjugated linoleic acid, it's scientifically proven to burn stomach fat, flatten the midsection, and reduce love handles. But it doesn't stop there. Unlike other fat burners, this formula is caffeine-free and nausea-free, making it gentle on your system while still delivering powerful results. Plus, it's keto diet safe, so you can incorporate it into your lifestyle with ease. What sets this belly fat burner apart is its ability to address bloating and hormonal weight gain. By tapping into your body's own fat-burning mechanisms, it acts as a natural metabolism booster while providing relief from bloating. Whether you're experiencing menopause, PMS, PCOS, or any other hormonal imbalance, UNALTERED Slim Tighten Tone has your back. Imagine fitting into those old pair of jeans again and unlocking the body confidence you've always deserved. With over 6,000 positive ratings, it's clear that this product is making waves in the weight loss community. And here's the best part: this isn't just a daytime supplement. Unlike others that can keep you up at night, this nighttime fat burner is caffeine-free, allowing you to use it alongside other supplements worry-free. Whether you take it in the morning or before bed, you can expect 100% weight loss results without any jitters. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat, bloating, and hormonal weight gain, look no further than the Belly Fat Burner for Women by UNALTERED. It's time to reclaim your confidence and embrace a healthier, happier you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time.